Alright, hello everyone. If you're watching this, then something's gone wrong with my internet, and uh, this is the contingency plan. So I wanted to quickly go over um, the Unit 4 activities just so that we have them under our belt, and I will post more discussion questions on the discussion forum, but um, in any event, let's talk about Unit 4. Alright, or Module 4, excuse me, Module 4, Unit 1. That's what we're headed into now. And the overarching theme for this module is going to be the climate in the classroom, developing a positive climate within your classroom from day one. The first activity that you're going to be doing is a classroom management scenario. You're going to watch the video, and it's going to have questions for you to answer, and you can do this as many times as you want until you get the score that you would like. But really pay attention to the decisions that you do make, especially if you, the first time around, maybe get them wrong. Why did you get them wrong, and what is the difference between the wrong and right answer? And think about that when it comes to your own classroom. Moving ahead to activity 2, what you're going to do is what the title says, develop a PowerPoint or a Prezi. And really step-by-step instructions on this. You watch the 3 videos, and then you're going to come in, you're going to read a chapter from Marzano's book, which is a great read, by the way. And it's right here. You get the entire book for free right here. And so I highly recommend you reading the entire thing, especially as you prep for the praxis tests. It's a great resource as well. But you're going to come through, you're going to create a PowerPoint or a Prezi where you're going to develop positive interactions with students in your classrooms. Okay, and be sure to check the evaluation criteria up here for more details on what exactly is expected of you. But be creative with this, and like it says here, your presentation should be between 20 and 30 slides. Be succinct as possible. Too many words on a slide should be avoided, and whatnot. If you have more questions on that, put it on the discussion forum. Alright, activity 3 is going to be using new technology or a new tool that maybe you haven't used before called Glogster. And this is a fun activity. This is the activity that you're going to basically creating this glog, which think of it as an online interactive poster. You're going to create this glog as an introduction of you to your class. So it's the first day of school, and this is the first thing that they get to see of you and who you are. And there's lots of different suggestions about what you might put on this. Get creative, get excited about it, make it very focused towards the grade that you would like to be working with once you are done with Teach Now. And Glogster is a great tool. I'm excited to see what you come up with. And finally, activity 4 is I want you to take everything that you have looked up, that you've read, that you've watched for this unit, and then kind of bring it all together and reflect on the classroom climate in a blog. You can either, again, do your own blog and upload the link, or write it here actually on the page. But you basically I want it to come from your viewpoint. Write this and make it thorough. You want to just take everything that you've learned and put it together into a complete thought when it comes to classroom climate, especially establishing a positive climate in your classroom, because that's going to be a very important key to how your students will work with you in your classroom. So again, I apologize that my internet has fallen away and that we had to do it this way, but in any event, you got enough information to get started. If you have any questions, please post them to the discussion forum. I will be checking it, and also your peers. I've noticed that you guys have been able to answer questions quicker than I have, which has been great, so keep that up. But I will be diving into getting questions answered for you as well. I look forward to seeing your work. I look forward to seeing what you learned this week and the discussions that will come in our next VC, where my internet will actually work and I will know exactly what is going on. So thank you guys so much. You're great. Welcome to Module 4. It's going to be an awesome one. Bye-bye.